Okay, so this is my second Decocrated box. My first box was the first box ever, and it was the fall box. I loved it. I loved everything that was in it. It was so perfect because it really took me from Halloween into Thanksgiving. Well, now I've put most of that stuff away, and I've got my second box, so I'm really excited to open it. The boxes have a lot of packaging in them. So this note says, recycle today for a better tomorrow, and it's a bookmark that I can use in books and other things. Okay, here we go. The envelope that shows what's inside and the colors. Oh, so this is a card that would go in the frame that came with the first box that I loved so much. I kept the Halloween card and then a Thanksgiving fall card in it for so long, so I'm so excited because now there's one that says 'tis the season, so it's kind of Christmassy, and then a New Year's side to it as well. I love that. Okay, I'm gonna use the 'tis the season side. Perfect. First box. Well secured. There we go. Oh, perfect. Okay, so it's a wreath. The fall box came with this really cute script word home that I hung on a wall in actually my laundry room, but this is a wreath, which is perfect for the holidays and actually perfect for this room because it's gray and silver, so I love that. And it'll take me through into the new year because it's not too Christmassy or too Hanukkah-y or whatever you celebrate. Let's see. Oh, look at how cute this is. It must be a New Year's sign. How perfect. Oh, and it says definitely Happy New Year. Got it. With champagne flutes, which is really cute. I could totally hang that on the mantle. I can hang it over a window. Oh, and this side says holidays. Oh, perfect. So I can use Happy Holidays, and then at the New Year I can flip it over and use Happy New Year. That would be that'll be perfect. Okay. Ooh. I love this so much because I go so often to like Home Goods and Marshalls and TJ Maxx, and this kind of because seasonal decor I don't want to spend a whole lot of money on, and so this allows me to save that trip to those stores and still really accent what I already have and add to what I have in my house. So it's really fun. Plus it's fun to open and get excited about. Oh, table runner. That's really lovely, and it matches well with the Happy New Year sign. That'll be love. That's really nice. And it goes with one of the pillows from the fall box. Just realized that. I love this. So these are blocks that you would sit on your countertop or at your entryway. One side says, bless this home, and then the other side says, let it snow. And they're lovely because they're neutral. You can put them anywhere. You can even put them like in a bathroom on a side table. Oh, this is really nice. And they seem like, let me open them, just solid and sturdy. And my kids will probably build towers with them too. Look how pretty this is. I am one of a kind. I was handcrafted by a master artisan, therefore I'll have subtle variations and blemishes. Please don't think any less of me because of my imperfections. They make me unique. Kind of like all of us. This is really pretty. Maybe some greenery for the holidays. You could even probably get a big pillar candle. I wonder if you could even use it as like a beverage bucket maybe. This is really cool. I like this a lot. Everything matches the room I'm sitting in. And the last box. Oh, I saw this on Instagram and then I forgot about it. It's perfect. Look at how cute this little house is. So this has been all over social media and I've seen it and been dying to have one. So I'm so excited because it's perfect. You can put a little candle inside. Oh my gosh, you could do anything with it, and it's so cute. You could style it with some little Christmas trees, and I have Christmas trees everywhere, so it'll be perfect for the holidays. Oh, I'm so excited. Everything will work so well, and now I don't have to go to Home Goods. Thanks, Decocrated.